everyone, this is Nicholas Acosta and welcome to another edition of Accessible iOS Apps. Today, we are going to take a look at the Apple Watch app for the iPhone. And today actually makes 5 months since I've been an Apple Watch user. I got the Apple Watch on December 25th, 2017. Basically, this was my Christmas gift. If you remember, if you go back a few videos, because I haven't done that many, being that I've been so busy with college. Wednesday was my last day, so I already completed one semester. If you go a little bit back, you'll see I did a video on Christmas, and I spoke about all of the Christmas gifts that I received. But one of those gifts, of course, was the Apple Watch. That was a wonderful gift that I decided to get myself. It's a wonderful device. It's been a wonderful experience, and this video, this isn't just gonna be one video. I'm gonna show you what you can do with the app. This is gonna be a series of videos. So in today's video, this is gonna be a little introduction, a basic introduction of the app. We're gonna go over the tabs towards the bottom of the screen, and then we're going to then in the next video, we're gonna visit the settings. We're gonna do a thorough look at the entire at all the settings, and then we're gonna go into how to customize your watch faces through the app. We're gonna talk about complications. We're gonna talk about installing apps onto the watch. So and then of course once we finish with the app, then we're going to look at the watch itself, and I'm gonna show you how to access some of the settings from the watch using voiceover. And because now this app doesn't have an app store, but of course we're gonna show you. I'm going to be showing you what the apps that come with the watch, what they're like. And the only reason why I'm doing this series is because I couldn't really find much on YouTube that had to do with the Apple Watch and voiceover. I found a few videos, but I want to put some of my own content up here on my channel. So right now I'm going to go and hit the home button. We're going to go into the app. We're gonna go. Now you see we're in the My Watch heading. So I have voiceover on, and we're gonna explore the tabs that we have on the bottom of the screen. We're in the My Watch tab, Face Gallery, App Store, and Search. We only have 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen. Now, the My Watch, which is what we're in right now, it has to do with the settings. What you're gonna be seeing right now are the settings. We're not gonna go into anything. By the way, this is also where all of the apps would show up. The apps that you have that are installed on the iPhone that are compatible with the watch. If the developers made their apps compatible with the watch, meaning you can install them on the watch, those apps will show up on this screen in the My Watch tab. So Like if you have apps that are not compatible with the watch, those will not show up. So if you flick from the My Watch heading, is a search field. It says Nicholas's Apple Watch, My Faces, Edit Faces, Explore. And these are the watch faces that come with the watch by default. So we have Explorer, Activity, Kaleidoscope, Siri, Utility, Modular, Toy Story, Astronomy, Mickey Mouse, Solar, Numerals, Motion. Now, these are complications, so we'll discuss that in a later video. This is notifications, app layout, the dock, general, cellular, brightness and text size, sounds and haptics, passcode, privacy, activity, breathe, calendar, clock, contacts, health, heart rate, mail, maps, messages, music, phone, photos, stocks, wallet and Apple Pay, weather, workout, Nike Plus Run Club. Now, after you go through all of that, there's the available apps heading. So this is gonna display all of the apps that you can install that are compatible with the watch. These are watch apps only that are gonna show up here. If you have other apps, now I have 11 pages of apps. Not all of these apps that I have are compatible with the watch. So I'm gonna tell you what is compatible right now that I have. 1Password, AccuWeather, Apple Store, Around Me, At Bat, Bible, CBS News, CNN, Dictionary, DJ Pro, Domino's, Downcast, Drafts, Emergency, ESPN, Evernote, Fantastical 2, Fly Delta, Fox News, Gaia, Google News, iCatcher, IFTTT, iHeartRadio, iStudios Pro, JetBlue, Just Press Record, Keynote, Languages, Lyft, Match, Merriam-Webster Dictionary, Messenger, MyFitnessPal, MyRadar, NY Times. Basically, that's New York Times, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, QVC. That's Quick Record, Shazam. Today on iPhones is the TII app, TuneIn Radio Pro, Tweetings, Twitterific, Uber, VLC, WSJ Wall Street Journal, WWDC, Yelp, and that's basically what the My Watch tab has. So you could see there are quite a few apps that I have that support the Apple Watch. So like I said, these aren't all of the apps, and right next to the name of the app is the install button. I currently don't have any apps on the watch because I want to show you how to do that, how to install apps when the time comes. So when the time comes, I will show you how that works. So now we took a look at the My Watch tab, Face Gallery, App Store, and Search. Now, we're not going to go into the App Store. We're not going to go into the Gallery tab because, like I said, when we start looking at watch faces and how to customize them, we will go into that in there, and I will show you around in that. I will show you what's in there. But basically what App Store and Search do is basically basically the built-in App Store in the Watch app. So you can search for an app and download it, or you can go into the apps, into the App Store tab and browse by category, or you can even see the featured apps that have been basically the featured apps, both free and paid. So you can install apps straight from the Watch app, and then you can access them once you install them on the phone, from the phone. Then you're able to install them onto the Watch. You have to use the Watch app to install them, unless you go into General and turn on a special setting that will allow you to install apps automatically without you having to install an app every time you download one from the App Store that supports the Apple Watch. I turned that off because I don't want apps being installed automatically. But anyway, this was the long-awaited YouTube video that all of you have been waiting for, and being that I'm not in school now, not until August 27th, I can do these videos for you guys. So thank you for listening, and enjoy the rest of your day.